Good morning student. Today we are going to start the next unit of your syllabus, that is unit 11. The chapter number name is internet use and abuse. So as we know that we are living in an age of computer. So today we will discuss about the uses and abuses of internet. So before start this unit, I will tell you about the internet, that what is internet. The large system of connecting computer around the world that allow people to share information, to share views and thought, that is known as internet. With the help of internet, we are able to get any information. Clear? So before discuss about the use and abuse, I will ask some questions. That I am going to discuss some questions with you related to that topic. So what first is, what are the main uses of internet? Yes, internet is widely used in this era. So it offer information, that is the main use of internet, that it offer information. Whatever information we want, we can easily search on the internet and information available to us. Then it helps us to communicate. We are able to communicate from here to abroad also with the help of internet. It helps us in business also. Through mail we can do the business work also. Clear? So it helpful in a number of ways. Next is how does it help in communication? Yes, it is very useful in the field of communication also. With the help of internet we are able to share our thoughts, our feelings with the others, with the whole world. So even we can with the help of WhatsApp or with the help of these internet or Facebook, we are able to chat on others with our relatives also, those who are living abroad. So even for doing the business also in the trade, through mail or through phone we can pass our message to others also. So it is very helpful in a number of ways. Now next is, what are the security issues we have to consider while using internet. So number of securities issues are there, like never use the same password any other time, same way on working on the social networking. Then we are worried about the ID hackers also, ID theft also there. So we are worried about that also whenever we are using our if we are using the mail. Then if after using the mail, if we are not log out that mail, so sometimes hackers will hack that one also. So we are worried about that one also. So these are the security issues are there. So now we are going to discuss about the uses and abuses also, as we are living in the age of computer, and computer are widely used in different fields, in different departments. Like in education also we are using a computer, then in schools for making timetable and results, or so many purposes are there. Then in railway, in bank, in number of department are using computer widely. So it helps us in exchanging the information and communication. Now we are discussing about the uses and abuses. Under the use, first I will tell you about the uses of internet. The first use is a vast source of knowledge. It is a vast source of knowledge. It contains endless supplies of knowledge. Whenever we want any information related to any content, we are going to search on the Google, or browser is there, or Chrome is there. So we getting the information related to our content very easily. So it is a vast source of knowledge. A lot of knowledge we are receiving. We are learning about almost any topic on internet. Clear? So it is a main benefit of internet. Next is exchange thought, pictures and videos. So it is helpful to exchange thought also. We are able to exchange our thought, our feelings to others, those who are living abroad, or to the whole world. We are exchanging our thoughts with the help of internet. As well as we are exchanging pictures also through WhatsApp. We are sending picture to one person out in the group also. Like even videos also we are exchanging. So it is helpful to exchange. Then next use of internet is quick access of knowledge. Yes, it is one of the incredible use that it provide us quick knowledge, quick access of knowledge easily, means it is provide us information immediately. Whenever we are keenly search for the information, it provide quickly. So it is quick access of knowledge. Next, I will talk about the abuses of internet. So among the abuses, first is losing interest in studies. Means if we are not using the internet in a proper way, in a right way, then it distract our mind also. We cannot able to focus on studies if we are using a wrong way the use of internet. Means try to use internet just to access the information, valuable information which will help you. If we are using in the wrong way, then we are not able to focus on our studies. So that is one of the main abuse of internet. Next is wasting time without any positive benefit. How wasting time? Means if we are not same thing is there, if we are not using the internet in a correct way, because number of information available in the internet, but if we are going on a wrong path, then it is our wastage of time. So use internet but in a limited time, not excess amount of using of this internet is beneficial for us. So try to use in a limit way. Then next abuse is danger of strangers. Yes, it is very dangerous of stranger also there. Means sometimes messages are friend requests we are receiving on WhatsApp or on Facebook also. So danger of stranger is there. We don't know that whoever sending the request, that person is strangers to us. So we don't know that person is male or female or child, because the identity is hide by sometimes. So there is a danger of stranger also. So don't accept the friend request of strangers. It is not useful. So that is also one of the abuse of using internet. The next is health issues. Yes, health problem also arise if we use in excess amount, like respiratory infections we are affected with that, even common cold also we are getting, or number of health issues are there if we use in a excess amount. So there is a abuse, that is one of the abuse of using internet. Thanks for watching. Now it is a time to give homework. Try to solve the exercise, question answer, as well as activity number 6 and 7, that is a homework to you, that try to solve by your own, as well as try to write the use and abuse of internet in points in your copies. Thank you.